Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate text in a cell using Google Sheets. So here we go. I already have a little chart here that I made up to show you, to explain this example clearly to you, right? Okay, so we have 4 columns here, such as Social Security, loan payment, tax, and total, right? So we have different text rotation options to this bit of information. So we're going to start with Social Security. I'm going to click on that cell there, and we're going to go up to the toolbar up here. Now we have these options here. This is called text rotation. So if I click on that, we will see different options that are available. The first one is none. The second one is tilt up. So I'm going to click on that so you can see what it looks like when I click on tilt up. So you see how the text is looking, right? It's sort of a slanted and is tilted up like how you're seeing here, okay? So let's go back into text rotation. I'm going to go with tilt down this time, just that this word Social Security starts from this direction now and it's the other way around. Let's click on, let's see, stack vertically. I love this option. It's really, really cool. Really, really cool. Let me just make this smaller so you can see how it looks smaller. Let's go to about 100%. Yes, you see how that looks? Yes, Social Security. Let's do another one, another option. This one's rotate up. So it reads like this way, Social Security going up that way. That one looks a little better, don't you think? Yeah. Let's look at one last option. Let's see what they have here. Other option, it's rotate down. All right, so you understand how it works. Okay, let me just make this a little bigger so you can see. All right, so one more thing I want to show you. Let's see what we have here. We just did this one, rotate down. Now you have this other option here that's 0 degrees, and we have a drop down arrow. Let's click on that, and we have different measurements here: 90 degrees, 75 degrees, 60 degrees, etc. Let me show you what that is about. Let me just go back to this first option here of, let's say, tilt up. What did I do here? Sorry, click on this cell and then go back into text rotation and click on tilt up. All right, so you see the information looks like sort of angled, right? So let's go into this one I was showing you before, text rotation, and right now you can see here now it's at an angle of 45 degrees, right? That's what this is, a custom angle here. So we could adjust that we could adjust the angle of the text. So click on the drop down arrow. We have, like, let's say 90 degrees is more like, yeah, right, just straight up. Okay, let's try another one again, make it look more interesting. Let's see, let's say it was a 30 degrees. All right, that was a minus 30 degrees, wasn't it? Let's go back here. So if I do a plus 30 degrees, it will go the other direction. See how it works? All right, so you can play with that to see. I like that option where you could have it angled, make your chart look a little more professional. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the other columns heading so you can have that uniform look, so you can see how this could best work for you. So watch as I go along. So as you can see here, I applied the let's see what I applied the tilt up option to these other 3 headings, right? But this one is out of sort because we had customized the angle of this heading. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of them, like this. I think it was 30 degrees positive. Yes, do the same thing for tax. 30 degrees. Right now it's at 45 degrees plus. Total, but at 30 degrees plus. Again, if it's a negative 30 degrees, it will go the other direction. Okay, so you see how that looks? Let me go to 100% view so you can see how cute that looks. That's really, really cute. And if you don't like how it's wide, you could just narrow the column width like that. Sorry, you could reduce the size of the column width, make it look really, really cool. Oh, one more thing I want to show you. Let's go back to 150. Alright, so as you can see here, for instance, text, the text is more to the left side, sorry, more to the right side of the cell. So we want to align that to make it look centered. So I'm going to click on that cell. That is a cell. So I'm going to go into alignment, that is around here. There you go. So for this option, we have vertical alignment. So we click on the drop down arrow and we have top, middle, and bottom, right? That is in the cell itself. Well, no. Yeah, so we're just going to click on middle and that adjusts the middle part of the cell. I'll do the same thing for this one here. Click on, that is this column here. Click on vertical alignment and then we're going to select middle. Okay, so that's how we would align the text in the cell after we had finished all the text rotation and stuff. Alright, I hope that's been helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.